Hi, I'm Todd, Damon Grail channel, and today we're out trying Elijah's St. Patty's Day challenge. First up today will be Bergara B14R with a KI Precision barrel, MDT ACC Premier chassis, Trigger Tech Special trigger, and we'll be shooting rifle match, SK rifle match in this. Vortex Venom 5-25, and that's about it. Without any further ado, let's get with it. I'm going to shoot in some sighters quick, and then we'll get going. Just shoot a couple sighters up here at the D in the St. Patty's Day and see what happens. Alright, let's start it out. Alright, we'll go to the next one to the right. That one was bad. Hold that one real. There we go. First 10. Let's see what happens. Alright. Now we'll go to the bottom left. Ooh, I pulled that one. My sandbag a little more sturdy. There we go. next one's the right. Last one and the smallest one, top right. Let's see what we can do on that. Where the heck did that one go? Wow. Not sure what happened with that one. It went out of the ballpark. I think that one hit either. All right. That's it for the Bergara. Get the Ruger set up and we'll take a whack at it with that. All right, Elijah, we're back. This time we're back with the custom Ruger 1022. This is a standard Ruger 1022 receiver with kid 20-inch stainless steel heavy. Got a kid bolt, kid charging handle, kid trigger kit. It's planted in an MDT Works chassis, topped with a Vortex Venom 5-25. Can't have Elijah be the only one out there with a semi-auto trying to swing it up. So I'm going to give it a try now with the 1022. I'll put in 5 foulers out there on the D on the right target that I have marked with an R. And then we'll get running on the St. Patty Day Challenge. If I didn't mention, I'm using SK Standard Plus with the Ruger 1022 today. Alright. Let's get going. We'll start with the big one again. Whew. Jeez Louise. Definitely did better with the Bergara. Yowza. Finally a halfway decent one. Oh, definitely not as good a shot as the Bergara. That's for sure. Alright. Let's finish out these last 3 targets. Oh man. Yeah. All right. Yep. Let's go see them targets. Get them scored up. I can already tell you, the 1022 did not have a good showing today. But looks like we did pretty good with the bar, though. Alright, we'll take them on back to the table and get them scored up. See what we got. Alright, let's take a look at our Bergara. Before I started, see, I marked this one with the B and the other one with the R. Looks like we got a 2, 5, pretty close, 5, 2, 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2, 2. We'll call it a 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, 2, 2. This one up here. Miss. Oh Lord, miss. 2, 2, 2. So we got a total of 6 on that one. 10, 12, 14, 16. We got 15, 17, 18, 19. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 on that one. Oh wait, did I miss that one? No, 10. No, I got that one. All right. 5, 10, 15, 16, 15, 19. 19 on that one. So we got 19, 19, 10, 16, and 6. 18, 20, 30, 30, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 70 on that one. For the Bergara, yeah, this one's gonna be pretty rough. So we got a 2 for the Ruger, 2, 2, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 5, 2, 2, 2, 2, miss, miss. We've got miss, 2, 2, 2, miss, 2, 2, call it a miss, 2, and a miss. So that one's got 6, 6. Well, it's 2, 4, 6, 11. 2, 4, 6, 6. So we got 2, 4, 6 on that one. So we got 11, 6, 6, 6, 6. Yeah, lots of 6s on there. 24, 35. Yeah, not a great showing for the Ruger today for sure. All right, thanks.